Hello boys and girls, this is a CVC practice activity. You will need for this activity a dry erase marker and an eraser, and you'll need your iPad again later to upload a video on Seesaw. First, let's take a look at what I'm going to be doing today. Now, your teacher might have these cards all cut up and cut apart, and there's a lot of different cards, boys and girls, so you might not have the same cards as me, but that's okay because these are just for the practice of this video. So it's okay if your cards are different than mine. Let's take a look though at what you're going to be doing when you get your cards. It doesn't matter which ones though. So if I take a look at this first picture, it's a picture of a spider web. We're going to be stretching out the word web, and I know that because this word starts with the letter W, and W says W. So what's missing here, guys, is the middle letter, okay? So we have W, and then nothing, and then B. So we have to figure out what that second sound is. So W, B. Is the missing sound. So what I'll do here is I'll take my dry erase marker and I'm going to write the letter E right there. So we have W-ab. Okay, that one's all done. Let's pick a new one. Let's do this one. Hit. It is the first sound in the word. What is that sound? That's right, that's an H. So I would take my dry erase marker and write an H on that card. And you're going to continue on doing your cards. And remember, it's okay if you don't have the same ones as me. You just need to do 6 of them. So once you've finished your 6 cards, then you're going to get your iPad and you're going to make a video, not a picture, but a video of yourself reading your 6 cards to your teacher on Seesaw so that she can see you're learning. Have fun!